There are two primary methods to connect your keyboard and mouse to a Sceptre monitor: using the monitor's built-in USB hub or connecting directly to your computer. Method 1 uses the monitor's built-in USB hub, while Method 2 connects peripherals directly to your computer for maximum performance. Let's start with Method 1, using your Sceptre monitor's USB hub. Many Sceptre monitors include built-in USB ports for connecting peripherals. Most Sceptre monitors feature USB-A ports located on the back or side panel. These ports allow you to connect your keyboard and mouse directly to the monitor. To enable the USB hub functionality, you need a USB-B to USB-A cable that connects your monitor to your computer's USB port. Here's what the required cable looks like. The USB-B connector plugs into your monitor, while the USB-A end connects to your computer. The setup process is straightforward. First, connect the USB-B to USB-A cable between your monitor and computer. Then plug your keyboard and mouse into the monitor's USB ports. Now let's look at Method 2, connecting your peripherals directly to your computer. This method offers the most reliable performance. Direct computer connection provides the lowest latency, typically 1 to 2 milliseconds, making it ideal for gaming and professional applications where responsiveness is critical. When using direct computer connection, prioritize USB 3.0 or higher ports for optimal performance and faster data transfer. For reference, here are the common USB connector types you'll encounter when setting up your peripherals. To summarize, monitor USB hubs offer convenience and cable management benefits, while direct computer connections provide superior performance and reliability for demanding applications. For wireless keyboard and mouse connections to your Sceptre monitor, proper setup and troubleshooting knowledge are essential for optimal performance. Setting up wireless peripherals requires 3 key steps. First, ensure your wireless keyboard and mouse have charged batteries. Next, locate the USB receivers that came with your devices. Finally, plug the receivers into either your monitor's USB ports or directly into your computer. The choice depends on your setup preference and available ports. Understanding USB port types helps ensure compatibility. Most wireless receivers use standard USB Type-A connections, which are widely available on both monitors and computers. After connecting the receivers, follow the pairing instructions specific to each device. This typically involves pressing a connect button on both the device and receiver. When devices are not recognized, start by verifying the upstream USB connection between your monitor and computer. This cable is essential for the monitor's USB hub to function properly. Next, check if your monitor has firmware updates available, as these can resolve compatibility issues. Finally, examine Windows Device Manager for any device conflicts or errors. The Device Manager window shows devices with issues marked by yellow warning icons. These indicate driver problems or connection conflicts that need resolution. For intermittent connectivity issues, the problem often lies in physical connections or power limitations of the USB ports. Intermittent connectivity requires systematic checking. Start by inspecting all cable connections, ensuring they are firmly seated and not damaged. Try different USB ports to isolate whether the issue is port-specific. Some ports may have better power delivery or data transfer capabilities than others. USB hubs in monitors have power limitations. If you have multiple devices connected, the hub may not provide sufficient power to all devices simultaneously. This diagram shows the typical connection setup. The upstream USB cable between monitor and computer is crucial for proper hub functionality. Performance issues, especially in gaming scenarios, require specific optimization strategies to minimize input lag and maximize responsiveness. For optimal performance, especially in gaming, connect your keyboard and mouse directly to the computer rather than through the monitor's USB hub. Maintain updated drivers for your peripherals and be aware of USB bandwidth limitations when multiple devices share the same hub. Understanding latency differences helps you choose the best connection method. Direct connections offer the lowest latency, while wireless connections have the highest but provide maximum convenience. By following these wireless setup procedures and troubleshooting techniques, you can achieve reliable peripheral connections with your Sceptre monitor while optimizing for your specific use case.